Usab gog hi nay. Kaya wala man dito naon.
Hi.
So my nanay is going his home. So I'm so sad. That is my grandma. I'm so sad. I meet you. Meet you. Wait guys, this is the church. This is the church.
Hello. We make this guys to you get happy. To get happy. My mom is working. My dad is
Look guys, what I found.
a diamond, but we don't
Circle.
sell it. We don't sell it because we have no
Subscribers. So please subscribe so I can sell that.
to get a new iPhone. Please. We work all day. Please.
This is a scooter guys.